Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Monday.com for beginners, project management, and CRM software. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. If you're looking for a CRM software, Monday.com is now leading all-in-one project management. Click the link below in the description to sign up for free today. Now, as you can see right now, the version of Monday.com that I'm using is the work management version. We will be exploring how to use this, and let's get right into it. Now, as you can see right now over here on my left side, I already have a workspace and I already have a CRM created over here. Now, let's see the work management of Monday.com. This is what it looks like. This CRM allows us to manage any type of project, assign owners, set timelines, and keep track of where our project stands, as you can see here. And you will be able to see, as you can see here right now on our main table, these are the different tasks. We have an example over here for this month. You can name this, by the way, you could change this to whatever name that you want. This is basically a group of tasks, and these are the main task over here, as you can see. So for example, this one, let's change this to something else. Let's say urgent. You will be able to do this, and you will be able to group urgent tasks that need to be finished. And you could change the name of the project over here by simply clicking this, and you will be able to change the title. As you can see, you will be able to change it to whatever title that you want. When you click it as well, when you click on open, you will be able to write an update. Let's say begun creating the project. You could have this as an update. Click on update, and this will be registered as an update for this specific item. You could also add some files and check out the activity log done by your members. And you have your owners in this area. Right now, I'm only the member of my team, but for you, you will be able to add your own teams as well, of course. You have your due dates over here. You could add them. You could add a due date. For example, I would like to add a due date for Saturday. We have September 2 over here. Or rather, over here, we have September 7. So we could add this. Let's fix our scheduling. There we go. Our project is now due date for September 2. It's crossed out because the status is done, but we could change this to done, maybe working on it, or stopped or not started. You could also create your own labels. As you can see, click on new labels, and you could edit the label. For example, cannot do. Then you could simply change the color over here to whatever color that you want, just like that. And when you select this, you have the option to cannot do over here. Then you have your people over here. This is basically the same thing. The owner, the people. You could add on the people, your team members. You have numbers over here. And you have your files over here. You could upload it. And you could also upload or add a column over here depending on what you would like to see. You have your status, which is this one over here. You have text. You could add this as well if you want, like information. Let's say prioritize this project. There we go. And then you could have that as a text. You could adjust the size. There we go. And you could add more. You have date, numbers, drop down. You could have a drop down over here. And you could actually move them around as well. Rearrange them. There we go. You could delete these numbers for now by clicking on the three dots. As you can see here, you will be able to see like filters as well, like sort, collapse, duplicate, add column to right, change column type, rename, and delete. You can delete that. There we go. And on the drop down, you could add the option over here. Let's say, what can we add over here? Path 1. Let's say that. Path 1. Create as a new label. Path 2. There we go. And your team members can like select which option they want. And I think this is how it is. Edit label. There we go. And this is how it will be. And you could add other things as well. You have files, formulas, connects, checkbox, Monday doc, priority, timeline, and label over here. You can see this is basically similar. We have this is critical. There we go. and you will be able to see over here on the bottom like a summary of the option over here. You have your due dates, you have your status over here, the more options that are done. For example, we have 2 done and 1 cannot do, it will adjust over here. We could have it as all done and everything will be done over here, or you have maybe and not started. As you can see, it will change accordingly. Now, like I said earlier, this area is like a group of different tasks. You could add task by simply adding over here. Simply put in the name of your task. So let's say task 2. Then by clicking on enter, you will be able to add another task right away. So task 3, task 4, although you have to select it one by one every time. And you could add another group by simply clicking on add new group over here. Now, Monday.com provides an excellent way to manage your different tasks and your different team. You will be able to view it on other ways as well. You have Kanban over here. This is one of the ways you could view your different tasks, as you can see here. And you could also check out the way you would like to view it through Gantt, chart, calendar, files gallery, and form, or even have a blank view over here, depending on your preference, of course. As you can see, you could add your widgets, like you have your battery and numbers. Let's check out battery over here. As you can see, you have your battery. This is for the blank view, which will allow you to add like widgets for you to monitor your progress. As you can see here, there's a lot of different things that you will be able to add. And the way you present or the way you manage your different widgets would allow you to optimize the way you view your different data and statistics so that you will be able to manage your team properly. And aside from that, you will also be able to create your new workspace, basically clicking on add this option over here. Then you will be able to add a new board, doc, dashboard, or you could choose from template, or you could import it from a CSV and Google Sheet, Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Facebook ads, and many more. You have other apps as well. You have new form or new folder. When you click on new board, as you can see, you can simply name it over here. Let's say CRM 2. You have privacy. You have your option over here, selecting what you are managing in this board. You have your different options over here, items, budgets, all of those stuff. And we click on create, and you will be able to create a new board for you to manage your different tasks. And let's wait for it to load, and there we go. It's similar to our CRM over here, the first one that we showed you. And through that, you will be able to have multiple options that you have over here. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to use Monday Work Management or Monday.com, specifically the Monday Work Management option. There are other products that you could utilize in Monday.com. There's also Monday Marketer, Monday Sales CRM, Monday Dev. You can also explore this as well. Try for free. Of course, the appearance of each option would be different. This one will be for CRM. The other one was for work management. So let's wait for this one to load so we can check them out. And there we go. Very similar, actually. The same thing. It just has other stuff over here. You have your leads, contacts, accounts, but the format will be the same thing. The difference is the labels are different, and like the different columns will be different as well. But regardless, it's the same process, the same way you will be able to edit the specific names over here, the name of the group, and the main thing that change are the labels only, but the process is exactly the same. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.